Say hi, look at my drill trail.
Look
Yeah.
at that little baby.
Oh.
Oh, so cute.
Ooh, one hand.
Whoa. Oh.
All this blinking is making my eyes water, though.
Oh, she really loves you.
I look like some lazy physical therapist. Sitting here with my team. You're supposed to be
We're taking a rest.
You're
We're
not
taking
gonna
a rest
put
for
down
a
the
couple of minutes, so. Because Helen Iris was just, whoa, look what you doing now. Are you gonna do? Look at you, honey.
Don't start puppy sitting.
Yeah, now she hasn't been doing that. Hardly at all. If she does, we correct her. Yeah. Because you told us to. Oh.
You gonna take off?
Well, that was a nice transition.
Oh,
She was just about to crawl again.
trying. She's like, command spelling's still easier.
Yeah. But you can see she wants to get up on those knees and stay.
You're pretty
Yeah.
close to taking off on that.
Time to get your feet again.
You feel my feet? You like my pink socks?
Yeah. She said, I work hard.
Yeah, you do.
I'm working hard. Oh. And then up come the legs to counterbalance way up high. Oh.
Where are you going?
Where are you going,
Where are
Hillary?
you going? You're gonna get that rug. Pound, pound.
Oh.
Pound.
Pat, pat, pat. That sounds cool.
Right? A different sound. You're a drummer.
Yeah, she likes to drum, 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 pat,
That
pat,
makes a
pat.
different sound.
Oh.
I don't want to right now, but thank you.
She's like, I don't want to right now, but thank you.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, I'm going to get your blonde hair.
I thought you were saying hi to the camera.
She was going for your hair. She was going to get it.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, get to sitting. That's a pretty good transition.
Oh, that was good.
Pretty good
Right?
transitions.
Yeah. Oh. There's a couple. Helen Iris called like 4 times in a row just a few minutes ago. Oh, that was a good setup. Doing much better on our transition. Oh, hi, sweetie. She's so excited. Yes.
You're on your tummy.
Yeah. She's going for the cell phone.
Oh, you
Oh
got
my
it.
God. Yeah. Hi, honey. Mm. Yeah. Mm.
Sing with me. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for calling me. Say two, one, say goodbye when we're done. Goodbye. I think say goodbye and we're done.
Say goodbye and we're done. Say goodbye and we're done. I wonder if it'll say it in the, I should check the booklet.
Yeah, I wonder. Hey, lazy. You're not really lazy. You've been working really hard. You've been working really hard.
Yes. Oh, bye-bye. Now that was appropriate bye-bye. She said, I'm going to get it. She said, I'm going to get it. Oh. And she's like, well, I'm arrived.
Well,
So.
one.
Yay! Yeah.
That was really good.
Yeah, that was. Yay!
But you just got there. Why are you saying goodbye?
Yay! Looks back at Rebecca. Hi. Oh.
Can I borrow it? Can I borrow it? Oh, oh, oh. Jugger.
What you doing, Jagger? The Jagger call.
Yep. Yep, she's doing the Helen Tiger. Helen Tiger.
Come on.
She growls when you say Helen Tiger.
Come on, you fierce Tiger. Oh, Tiger.
Ah, you tiger girl.
Yep.
Yep, that's a wall.
Whoa.
Just who put this wall here?
Are you going to stand up for it? Then bang your head against it? That could be another place to...
Yeah, I know, another place to put the...
Hopefully
Cut a noodle.
As a kid, because I'd be crawling up the outside of that thing.
Mm-hmm. Sure. I know, that's
Careful
what...
around those sharp edges.
Mm-hmm.
Just
Gotta do.
that bruises on your face are part of being a
I
child.
know,
Yep.
but not open cut.
No, well, that too.
You're very
That too.
susceptible to these areas here when you land on something
I have a
sharp like
scar
that.
from when I was a
Right
kid
up
and
Yep.
Oh,
opened the cupboard into my head.
oh man,
Smart.
that hurts.
Yeah, I mean, you obviously want to avoid too many bangs.
Now she's playing piano with the foot pedal.
I know. That's not hard.
But we want to try to avoid it as much as we
As
can.
much as possible.
Oh.
And then just don't feel like a bad parent when it inevitably does.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the thing, one of the weirdest things that ever happened to me. I had a nephew that was living with us around 1987, and he was probably 2. He was just learning how to walk, and it was probably 10 o'clock, and I had to work the next morning. I was sound asleep, and I was having a dream, and he was playing with the gun, and the gun went off, and I woke up out of my dream. But when I woke up, he was screaming his head off. And I could hear him from down the hallway, and I ran out there, and he was walking and fell and hit his head on a coffee table, and there was a huge goose egg on his head.
God, what a terrible timing.
How a dream and it just...
Yeah, because probably the smack of that was the gun going off in your dream.
Maybe.
But that's weird that you're having the...
Yeah.
That dream at the same time, worried that he was playing with a gun, that he was in danger.
Goodness, that it was just a goose egg and not a bullet hole.
Yeah. Wow. That's so wild.
Let's go somewhere. Let's go somewhere. Where do you want to go? She says, I was happy where I was.
Hi, Tiger.
I know. Look!
Whoa, face plant.
Little thing. Oh, it's okay.
That was a funny one. Come on, Tiger.
Yeah.
Yay!
Helen, come on, baby.
I know, that's a really long ways away.
You can do it, though. She's a sideways crawler.
She's just still figuring it
What's
out.
she doing with that?
I think she's saying, get off of me.
Oh.
Hey, I want to go on my pony.
You're like, I want a commando crawl.
Come on, little commando. She's their little commando.
Commando crawl.
And I'm not doing much right now, just blocking her from,
Yeah, splaying out of
Come on,
it.
baby.
because she wants to go down her tummy. She's like, it would be a lot easier.
Wow, come on, Tiger.
Oh, you're almost there. You're almost there.
No, put her in a little.
As soon as she calls to me, I'll give her the
Almost
phone.
there.
Hello?
Almost there.
Yeah,
Like,
she's
ah.
almost here. Oh, no, don't hang up. She's almost here. I'll get you back. Okay, she's here now. Come get her. She wants to talk to you. Oh, no. Good job.
Yeah. All right, Helen. Honey. Yeah.
Celebrate. Dance to the music.
Celebrate. Celebrate. Mm-mm.
Oh, you got it. You got it.
Hey. Hi, honey. Hello, bug.
Oh, that's a better cell phone.